Exercise 1.2.21 Chipping flat surfaces along the marked lines. Objectives: chip surfaces evenly using a flat chisel.
Job sequence. Take a 2 mm thick MS sheet of size 150 mm by 100 mm. Mark a line on the chalk powder coated sheet at a distance of 50 mm from one of the longer edges of the sheet. Make equidistant punch marks on the line using a dot punch and hammer. Keep the sheet on a flat iron block on the workbench with marked line facing up. Hold the sheet with the iron block using C-clamps. Keep the chisel over the marked line such that the cutting edge of the chisel is along the line to be cut. Give hammer blows on the head of the chisel such that the sheet gets cut under the action of the chisel edge. Move the chisel further along the line to be cut and proceed with the cutting operation until the entire length of the job is cut. Avoid using a chisel with blunt cutting edge or with a mushroom head. Use a hammer whose head is firmly fitted to the wooden handle. Keep the cut sheets on the anvil and remove any surface waviness formed due to chiseling using the face of a hammer. File the cut edges to remove burrs and to avoid uneven cut surface. Skill sequence. A hard and strong support is essential under the sheet to ensure the chisel properly penetrates into the job and cuts the sheet. The chisel has to be held vertically to get an effective cutting action. Sometimes the job is clamped to the workbench or to the steel pad by C-clamps so that the job will not slip while chiseling. After making a cut on the marked line, move the chisel approximately for 80% of the length of the first cut and again make a cut. This is done to ensure that the cutting action continues progressively along the marked line and no portion of metal will be left uncut. In addition, the cutting edge of the chisel can be positioned properly along the line of cut, which will avoid a zigzag cutting. Proceed to make cuts by the flat chisel as explained above until the entire length, that is 150 mm of the job, is cut on the punch marked line.